This is question 14 of homework 6 of chapter 5. Until the mid-18th century, when spinning became mechanized, cotton was an expensive and relatively unimportant textile. So where it used to take an Indian hand spinner 50,000 hours to hand spin 100 pounds of cotton, an operator of a 1760s era hand-operated cotton mill spinning machine could produce 100 pounds of stronger thread in 300 hours. When the self-acting mill spinner automated the process after 1825, the time dropped to 135 hours and cotton became an inexpensive common cloth. In the figure, show how these technological changes affected isoquants. Assume the production process for spun cotton has a decreasing marginal rate of technical substitution. So the question asks us to draw basically three isoquants. One for the 3 time periods. One for 1750, so that's before the first hand-operated cotton mill spinning machine was invented. And the second one is right at that spot when that machine was invented at 1760. And the third isoquant will be drawn in 1825, which is the new cotton machine was invented. With the technological progress, it takes less and less hours to spin the same pounds of cotton. So the isoquant here, the pounds are the same. So because the technological progress, we should expect less and less hours. All right, so and this information also is important. Assume that the production process for spun cotton has a decreasing marginal rate of technical substitution. So basically this tells us the shape of the isoquant should be what we call the convex, which means that it's bending inward. It's like this, bending inward. That's how the marginal rate of technical substitution, basically that's the slope of the isoquant. So that's decreasing, which says this is convex, shaped like that. And also with the technological progress, because we are using less and less hours to produce the same amount of cotton, so the isoquant should be shifting inward with the technological progress. So with that in mind, we can now draw this isoquant. So we first draw the isoquant at 1750. Okay, so the first line we can draw like that. So this for this question you don't have to be precise. It's just some way to show how this works. So this is 1750, and because as we said, with the technological progress, the isoquant should shift inward because we are using less and less labor to produce the same amount of cotton. So we can expect this to be Q1760. And finally, for the new machine, it should be even closer to the origin point. So Q1825. So let's check our answer now. Fantastic. I guess this question is, oh, it's not done yet. Carefully follow the instruction above, and technological change shift as the isoquants. We have basically two options, outward and inward. I think we have already explained it should be shifting inward. Final check. So nice work.